Today we are going to knit a clean one. Neat ponytail hairstyle. Comb your hair neatly first. Seam. Separate the D-shaped hair seam. Put the hair on the left and right side. Tie into a ponytail of the same height. Let's braid the hair on the right first. Take out 2 small strands of hair first. Roll up these 2 strands of hair. And then we cross-stitch them together. It's like a beautiful braid. Keep rolling it together. Knit all the way to the bottom. Tie it up with a rubber band. Take out 2 more strands of hair. Follow the same steps. Keep rolling up, and we knit them together. Clamp the bottom hair with a clip. Continue to braid this braid to the very bottom. Knit a little tighter. Then tie it with a rubber band. It looks exquisite. Tie the rubber band tighter. Then let's braid the hair on the left. Also take out the 2 strands of hair first. Curl it up. Cross. Weave together. The hair on the bottom is also caught with a clip. This way it won't look too scattered. Keep knitting down. Knit all the way to the bottom. Tie your hair with a rubber band. Then come to braid a 2nd strand of hair. Also take out 2 small strands of hair. Roll them up, cross, weave together, like a beautiful braid. Knit all the way to the bottom. Then tie it up with a rubber band and secure it. This one is very crisp. Neat ponytail hairstyle. It's done.